If you love pickles, then you're going to be obsessed with these dill pickle chicken bites. Keep watching. Friends, it's Kelly and welcome back to Mama Needs a Goal. Thank you so much for joining me today, and if you're new here, welcome. So friends, as I said, I am going to be making some crispy dill pickle chicken bites. If you love pickles, if you love cheese, these are absolutely wonderful. They're crispy on the outside, nice and flavorful on the inside. So let me stop talking, we'll go over all the ingredients and we'll start making. Alrighty, so that's some black pepper, granulated garlic or garlic powder, ranch seasoning. I have some panko crumbs. You can use breadcrumbs, but I'm using panko. 1 egg, some dill, onion powder, some dill pickles, oil. I have a pound of ground chicken, and I'm using Mexican cheese. You can use just cheddar if you want it, but I prefer that cheese. And these are the ingredients we're going to be using. Alrighty, friends. So this is a simple, easy recipe. I have my chicken here. I'm going to go ahead and add a tablespoon of the ranch seasoning. Then I'm going to add a tablespoon of fresh or dried dill. And then 2 tablespoons of pickle juice. I am just about out of pickles. I need to get more. Okay. We're going to add 1 egg. I'm telling you, friends, this is so easy. We have a half a cup of pickles chopped. And then we're going to add a half a teaspoon of garlic, granulated or garlic powder, and a half a teaspoon of onion powder. Just a little pepper for taste. We're going to add a 1/4 cup of panko breadcrumbs and a 1/3 cup of cheese. Friends, that's all the ingredients. We're going to go ahead and mix this up and make our patties. Alrighty, so I have my mixture. We're just going to go ahead and mix this all up. Get it mixed really, really well. You saw this did not take any time to put together. Excuse me. Now, I've never made these in the air fryer, but I'm sure you can if you don't want to fry them on the stove top. I'm sure you can bake them in the oven as well. Like I said, not tried that, so, but hey, can't imagine why you couldn't, because I can do any other cakes in the air fryer. All right, looks like it's sticking together really well. Alright, I just have myself a little plate here. I'm going to head and make them into little, I'm going to do little bite size. Just like that. What we're going to do is like just ball it a little bit, and then once we get them in the pan, we'll flatten them. How's that sound? Because I think it'll make it a little bit easier to pick them up. So you can make them any size you want. I'm just doing kind of just small little. These would be great for appetizers and or dinner or lunch, whatever, honestly. And you know, I've mentioned before, you know, people are pickle lovers. You know, you want to do a pickle party. You know, you can make these even smaller, like little meatball size. Flatten them out a little bit. Be a great appetizer. I think I like that size actually, so I'm going to make it a little bit smaller. I think I like that size better. I'm going to go a little smaller, like grab and go bites. Probably should have a bigger plate. All right. Cut these in half. There we go. Definitely should have had a bigger plate, but that's okay. Alrighty, let me wash my hands and then we'll get to cooking. Alright, let's turn our pan on, get it a little bit hot. I'm just using some olive oil. If you have avocado oil, that's even better. But we're just going to use this today. Alrighty, let's pour a little bit of oil in here. And let that heat up just a few. Alrighty, now let's go ahead and put our little bites in. I'm just going to press it down once I put it in. Oops, I just dropped some on the floor. Make sure I remember to get that. Now once we put all these in, we're going to cook them on each side for 3 to 4 minutes. Flip, and then cook the other side 3 to 4 minutes. See if I can get all these in here. I don't know if I'm going to or not. I'm going to try. Hoping I am. Don't think I am. Nope, no way, Jose. That's okay. They need room. Put that aside. Alright, we're going to go ahead and let this cook for about 3 minutes. Check it. If we need to go longer, we'll go an extra minute or two, and then we'll flip. Alrighty, we are at 3 minutes. Let's give it a quick look. I think we can go an extra minute. 1 more minute. Alrighty. So we went 4 minutes. Perfect on each side. Let's just give them a quick little flip. Oh, they look delicious. Look at that. Oh. Yum. Smell really good too. Oh, that one didn't do as crispy. Apparently my pan is doing a better job on this side. Alright. Wow. A little too high maybe. Alright. Now we're going to let these go for about 4 minutes. Alrighty friends, just full transparency, I did have the vent on while this was cooking. I didn't turn it on because you won't be able to hear me while I'm videoing, but I did have the vent going while I had you off. So we're going to go ahead and do a quick look. Yep, perfect. Perfect. I have a plate over here with a paper towel on it just to drain any excess oil. Almost went on the floor. Almost. I'm not doing a very good job here. I did get the piece I dropped on the floor, by the way. Alrighty. Now I'm going to go ahead and cook up the rest of these that I have over here, and then we will do our taste test. Alright my friends, so here they are, and as always, there will be pictures at the end. So let's go ahead and take a little bite and see what we think. I have a little bit of ranch dressing. These are really good. Very good. Excuse me. They're absolutely delicious. Alright my friends, so that'll do it for today. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget, hit that little subscribe button as it does greatly help me out. Also, please check me out over on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok, as I am active on all those social media sites as well. So friends, thanks so much, and I'll catch up with you next time. Bye! Oh, I forgot to show you my pickle shirt. Y'all like it? What you think? Bye!